Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're baking something that's perfect for fall. Super easy to make and packed with nutritious ingredients. You're going to want to make these healthy pumpkin chocolate muffins on repeat. They are moist, chocolatey, lightly sweetened, and totally irresistible. So let's get started. First thing first, the pumpkin, or in this case, this kabocha squash. To make this into a puree, cut and peel and scoop out the seeds from the flesh. Then cut into small pieces and steam until fall apart tender. This is a great way to use up all that in-season squashes and pumpkins lying around. Or if you don't want to bother with this step, canned pumpkin puree will do the trick too. As long as it's not pumpkin pie filling, we're trying to keep the sugar levels low. Once the pumpkin puree is ready to go, we're basically minutes away from completing this recipe. Start by preheating your oven to 425 Fahrenheit or 250 Celsius. Then into a large bowl, add the pumpkin or squash puree, oil. Here I used olive, but you can substitute with others like coconut oil. Then 4 eggs, cocoa powder, sugar, or you can substitute that with half or all maple syrup and some vanilla extract. Blend together until smooth. Then to the wet ingredients, add your flour, salt, baking powder, and baking soda. Optionally, but highly recommended, add a spoon of chia seeds to boost the fiber of these healthy muffins. Mix to incorporate, but do not overdo it. It'll be thick, but that's totally normal. Finally, the best part. Fold in these dark chocolate chips or chunks. Again, do not overmix to ensure a tender crumb. Now, I'm going to show you a trick to never buy muffin liners again. It's easy and works every time. Cut up square pieces of parchment paper that roughly fits the size of your muffin tin. Then cut a slit on each side of the square. It doesn't have to be precise at all. Just cut roughly halfway into the paper. And that's it. This should fit itself snuggling into the muffin tin once pushed down. I make this one at a time because it's easiest to fill the batter directly on top of the paper. See? So quick. I love using an ice cream scoop for this because one hand can hold the paper and the other can be filling the batter. And fill these tins up almost all the way. We're making bakery-style high-top muffins. Again, optional but highly recommended. Sprinkle more chocolate on top for that extra melty deliciousness. Get these into your preheated oven for 5 to 7 minutes and then turn the temperature down to 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for 15 to 18 minutes more. You will achieve that high-top muffin you find at that favorite bakery of yours. Do not overbake though, we want a moist and tender crumb. Let them cool for 5 to 10 minutes before diving in. And look at these beauties. Soft, chocolatey, and full of rich flavors. The chocolatey taste dominates, so this is a great way to hide those veggies for those people with kids who resist anything healthy. Plus, the pumpkin keeps them super moist without adding tons of fat or sugar. As always, you can find the step-by-step recipe on my website, yunsfamilytable.com. If you enjoyed this recipe, help support the channel and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more recipes like this and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Happy baking! See you next time!